Hello everybody, my name is Tim. We are raising Joy. My wife and two of our kids are moving into this RV to travel full-time across the United States. We have a lot of things going on right now and I just wanted to give you a quick update. First of all, we are reaching, as I'm recording, we're really close to 1,000 subscribers, so we might be over once this airs. But I'm really excited to reach that milestone for us, and I just want to thank you for supporting us, watching our videos, clicking that like button, because that's really supporting us. That's really exciting, and keep up the awesome work. Because of that, I want to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway for you guys. So we want to give away a $20 gift card to Amazon. That way, no matter where you are, you can buy whatever you want and have it shipped right to your door. And if you're in an RV, you can have it picked up at a local facility or something like that. So as our gift to you guys, thank you for watching us. $20 gift card to spend it however you want to. Now, in order to be eligible for this brings me up to my next topic. Is we have the beta version of our website up. It is called raisingmorejoy.com because Raising Joy was already taken. And technically we're going to be raising more joy than those other guys. Hopefully. So raisingmorejoy.com, and on the very first page at the very bottom, it'll have you, there's a little section where you can put your email, and that'll put you on our emailing list. We're not going to sell your email to anybody. We're not going to do anything with it. This is just to test it to make sure that the website is up and running and working correctly the way it needs to be. And in the future, maybe you can start getting some stuff from us if we are going to be doing some more giveaways. So put your email address in there, and that is your entry into the $20 gift card. We are going to give everybody, I would say, let me look at the time. We will leave it up until April 4th, which is a Sunday. Sunday evening, we are going to do a live broadcast. We've never done live on YouTube before, so that'll be the first time. It'll be the first time we're giving away money to you guys in support. Thank you for following us. We also now have the beta version of our Patreon. So just real quick, I wanted to talk about the Patreon. We are not going to be updating it until once we leave the area we're in and we start the process. We're going to do probably daily blogs on there, daily pictures. Also, it's going to show where exactly we are pretty much at all times. So if you want to meet up and do something with us, we could definitely do that together. But right now, everything that we've launched is beta versions. So if you guys want to add to it, take away from it, or have any suggestions for us, definitely accept that for sure. So this channel is now Raising Joy. We are Raising Joy. Instead of the previous Never Ending Adventures, we are now Raising Joy through Never Ending Adventures. That's still going to be there. Our logo that we have now is changing. We have stickers on the way for that. For OG stickers is what we're going to call it. You can buy those. They're going to be $5 for 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch. Some cool swag. And then also our new logo is going to be here really soon for Raising Joy. This channel is going to be more about the experiences, more about the RV stuff, and her side is going to be more of the budgeting side, more of the minimalist, more of the motherhood, more of the baby stuff. So all great things, part of the same network. We're just bringing it all together. Also, our Teespring store is up. That's also linked below. And if there's anything else that you guys would want, or any input that you can give us, we can definitely change logos, change shirts, change pretty much everything that we want. But we're pretty much going to be adding to instead of taking away. Teespring's prices are a little bit expensive for them to do stuff, so we would rather pack, ship, and do everything ourselves from the road. I think that would be good for us. So we're going to be transitioning from that store to do everything ourselves. Plus we have a couple other products coming out. Things are happening, and we are glad to have you with us. We are now open to collaborations and also sponsorships, also product reviews. So if you want to do a collab with us, or if you want us to try one of your products, we could definitely do that. see if we like it. Everything that we do will be on our own accord. We're not going to have a company tell us what to say. Everything will be an honest review, straight from us. That's how we roll. I think that's it, guys. Our website, our new name, the Teespring store, and the Patreon. We're hitting the ground running, and we will see you on Sunday. Okay, bye.